Okay. Also, when I'm generating cut files, I forgot to tell you this. There's a couple options. Either I can make a constant chord wing. All right. So here's my wing cutter controls. All right, and there's this parameters button, and this is where you pick whether or not you want to make a tapered or a constant chord wing. So if you want to make a constant chord wing, go up here, click constant chord, and you can set how long your panel span is. That doesn't actually matter because we set that manually by changing the distance between these towers. And then you can select a desired chord, and that's pretty much all you need to do. If you're going to do a tapered wing, it's a lot more complicated because you got to pick kind of what profile you want. See, you can do a tapered swept wing, a tapered wing with no sweep. You can do a leading edge taper or a trailing edge taper. And then click left and right, and then you can pick root chord and tip chord. Yeah. And then when you go to generate your cut file, you still pick like your left and right cutting tower stuff. So it's kind of the same, but you usually need to go through a couple iterations of that to get exactly the right way that you want it. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to cut something. Let's make it a constant chord though. And I know that this seems like, it took me a couple times to actually learn how to use this thing, and it's hard to just see it and do it. So when you guys come in and actually try this, I'll most likely be around, and definitely come over and find me. Box. Like that. And sometimes the program just quits. So how many teams we got this year? Like 4? 3 or 4. Sure. That's a lot of you guys. Yeah. Should make some awesome wings. So here you can see that this is an actual cut file we used last year for the kind of the straight center section of the Stampy wing, and I'm going to cut it lengthwise out of this. I actually want to bring the entire